So my trade got uh, my trade which I entered in February is still running for March. So let me just continue. Yeah, this is where I left off my previous video. So in this video I'll have to continue from here. Yeah, as soon as this I can see myself taking a long trade because I can see a clear pattern here forming. It is an descending channel. It is very likely to go break this and continue up to this level. I can say this is the probability that's probably going to happen. So what I'll do, I'll just enter a long buy trade here. My stops will be fairly large in this trade. It will be around 97 pips. So now I'm forming a new low. As soon as I break this high, I'll be moving my stops here. I've broken this high, so I will be moving my stops here. So my risk right now will be, I'll be in a total profit of 15 pip, 17 pip. So this trade will still be running. I just broke this low, this high, so I should be moving my stop losses here. So technically I would have moved my stops here. Depending on the situation, if I might have been triggered out of this trade if I had been hit here. So what I'll do, I'll close it here for a profit of 69.7 pips plus 697. So this loss was 20 pips. I'll just note it down quickly. Minus 20, 200, sorry. I'm noting these things as points, not as pips. So I've got a good clean downtrend. So what I can do is this is perfectly my kind of setup. I can enter sell. The stops are really very close, so I won't be risking much in this trade because it's really very close to hit my stop losses. I'll be using small lot sizes. Yeah. As soon as it broke this low, I should have technically moved my stops to this level, but I did not. Let me keep it. If it was real time, I would have moved here, but since I did not do it, I'll just keep it this way. I'll record a loss of 28 pips. Oh, I'm sorry, I just had food. Minus 282. Okay, let's move on. I could have technically taken this long trade. This is an ascending channel. I can take this trade. I can risk a little more, but there are very good chances of this price to come back down. But even then I'll take this trade. I'll go long with small risk. Oh my god. So this did whiplash and it spooked the market, and it was some major news or something probably, which I'll have to check out. It was on 8th of March. I don't exactly remember. I think the US stock markets were down that day, I guess. Probably that caused this. So not a problem. Got tagged out. I'll wait for some time. I'll wait for some clear price action to enter back again. I got a clear price movement here. So what I will do, I can enter a sell. Let me see how it plays out. This might be a really good trade. it broke this low, so I can clearly move my stops here. The reason why I told this will be a really good trade is because as you can see, the price has been ascending and it has broken this structure, and I think it will reach this point over here, because always, most of the times when the market is ascending, when it forms a channel, price eventually comes back down to the original level where there is much more price liquidity. So let's see how it plays. Formed a new low. As soon as it breaks this low, I'll move the stops here. It has broken the low, so I should have technically moved my stops above this candle, so it will be around break even, just above break even. Okay, it has formed a new low. As soon as it breaks this new low, I'll be moving my stops. Broke this new low, so my stops will be moved above this candle, just here. My stops will be there. I need it to form one more low and break this low. It has formed a new low. I need the price to move back up and break this low once again. Price has broken this temporary new low. It was a higher low, but it has broken this low. But since there is lots of profits here, I want to lock my profits. I usually don't allow such big open gaps, because I'll be trading lots of currency pairs, so I'll just lock my profits in. I don't worry if it will come and hit my stop losses. Okay, it has broken this low. This is the most recent high, so I'm moving here. This is a valid recent high, because it has already also broken the major low which was over here. So this will be our very good spot to keep our stop losses. Okay, we obviously got tagged out over here. So yes, we almost lost so much heavy price, but it doesn't matter. We got a major chunk of the market. We got a large movement, like 412 pips, but we also missed 500 pips. It doesn't matter, we got tagged out. So what I'll do, I'll just record this price move. These are average things. It is 4159. I have taken 4100. Doesn't matter. So immediately after this price move, it is a major move down. This month was very reactionary to, I guess, probably major news events. So this was a major move down. I'm guessing it will shoot back up and recover almost all major market levels. I'm hoping it will come back to this level over here. I'll mark it in a different color. It has almost reached there. It will definitely break that level. So what I'll do, with good confidence and with very low risk, in smaller lot sizes, because my stop losses are really huge. So that's the reason I'll use very small lot sizes. I will enter a buy trade. As soon as the price breaks this high, I'm going to move my stops. Price has broken this, not this high, it has broken this high, but even though this high was higher than our entry price, I will move my stops to this major low. So the price action is a little choppy right now. there are two options. I can wait for the price to break this high and then move my stops here, or I can straight away move my stops here because it has broken so many highs here, so many minor highs. uh, these might seem that they're insignificant, but these highs are significant. So since it has broken this minor high, I'll move my stops here. So I'll move my stops to this level. So my stops will be here at a locked profit of 29 pips. It is very aggressive, but I'll still take it. The price has broken this major high, so the previous low is on this inside bar. I'll move my stops there. I'm trying to be aggressive only because I need to lock in as much profits as possible, because um, as I said, I'll be trading lots of currency pairs. I don't want these trades to go back into a major drawdown. It almost reached near our price level. I think we would have we are still in the trade. If it now goes back up, I'll be moving my stops over to this level. I got tagged out. So entering into month of April, we just closed our trade. So month of March was really exciting. It played out really well. So this was a positive 1-to-1. So we had two losses, one coming from February and one loss here of 28 pips, and three wins, a major win. We also observed we lost this much of price movement, but doesn't matter because on an average AUDCAD it doesn't move this much. As you can compare it to the previous months, on the month of March it has moved a lot. So this also means one more thing going into the next month. On the month of April, since there was lots of volatility and movement in the month of March, the month of April will be not so busy month. So that's it for the month of March on AUDCAD. I'll see you on my next video where I'll be continuing for the month of April.